10 foods that can repair damaged nerves. More than 20 million Americans silently suffer from nerve damage, often without realizing the severe impact it has on their daily lives. I've been there. That annoying tingling, numbness, or even sharp pain that just doesn't seem to go away often comes from nerve damage. Nerves send signals between your brain and the rest of your body. When they're damaged, it feels like everything is out of sync. But what you eat may make a big difference in helping those nerves heal. That's why, in today's video, I will talk about 10 foods that may help you repair nerve damage. Before you start making changes to your diet, though, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional. Also, stick to the end of the video, and we will tell you about a few daily habits that may contribute to nerve damage. Now, let's get started. 1. Salmon. Salmon is more than just a delicious meal, it's a powerhouse of nutrients that may help repair damaged nerves. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA. These fatty acids are crucial for maintaining the health of nerve cells. They help by reducing inflammation around the nerves, which is often a root cause of nerve pain and damage. Omega-3s also play a direct role in repairing the nerve cell membranes. Thus, it may help you recover faster from injuries or conditions like neuropathy. A study in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences shows that eating fish and fish products high in DHA greatly lowers the risk of ischemic events in the brain and lowers the damage to neurons when they do happen. Additionally, salmon may contain B12 vitamins. This vitamin is essential for the production of myelin, the protective sheath that covers your nerves. Myelin functions as insulation around a wire, facilitating rapid and efficient transmission of nerve signals. Vitamin B12 in salmon helps rebuild this protective layer, allowing nerves to function properly again and reducing the overall damage. The daily recommended dose of salmon is around 100 to 140 grams, or about 2 servings per week. While salmon is generally safe and beneficial, certain types, especially farmed varieties, may contain higher levels of contaminants like mercury. It may pose health risks if consumed excessively. Opting for wild-caught salmon is a better choice when possible, as it tends to have fewer contaminants and higher nutrient quality. 2. Nuts and seeds. People often view nuts and seeds such as almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds as small snacks. However, the nutrients packed into these tiny powerhouses repair nerve damage. One standout component in nuts and seeds is alpha-lipoic acid, ALA, a powerful antioxidant found abundantly in flax seeds. ALA plays a crucial role in nerve health by compensating oxidative stress, a major factor in nerve damage. This antioxidant works by neutralizing free radicals that damage nerve cells, essentially protecting the nerves from further harm and aiding in their repair. Magnesium is another critical element in nuts and seeds, especially almonds. Magnesium is known for its ability to calm nerve activity, which is particularly beneficial for people experiencing nerve pain or neuropathy. Moreover, one study claims that it helps regulate nerve impulses and reduces nerve excitability, which may minimize symptoms like tingling or shooting pains. For optimal benefits, a daily intake of around 28 grams, about a small handful of nuts and seeds, is recommended. However, it's important to note that these foods are also high in calories, so moderation is crucial to prevent unwanted weight gain, particularly if you're monitoring your overall caloric intake. 3. Avocado. Avocados are more than just a trendy toast topping. They contain a wealth of healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that collectively aid in repairing nerve damage. For example, avocados offer a high content of monounsaturated fats. These healthy fats help to nourish the myelin sheath, the protective coating around nerves that facilitates smooth and rapid signal transmission. By strengthening this sheath, monounsaturated fats in avocados help improve nerve function and reduce the pain and discomfort associated with nerve damage. Apart from that, avocados are rich in B vitamins, particularly vitamin B6 and folate. Vitamin B6, in particular, is involved in producing neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which are critical for mood regulation and nerve function. Folate supports cellular repair and regeneration, making it vital for nerve healing. Together, these B vitamins help reduce inflammation around the nerves, making avocados a powerful ally in nerve repair. One study suggested that vitamin B complex treatment lowered pro-inflammatory cytokine levels and raised anti-inflammatory cytokine levels. As a result, avocado may also help to relieve neuroinflammation. The daily recommended serving of avocado is about 1/3, which equals roughly 50 grams. Additionally, those who are sensitive to high potassium foods should be cautious, as avocados are high in potassium, which could affect kidney function in susceptible individuals. 4. Spinach. Packed with essential nutrients, spinach helps to repair nerve damage. One of the standout elements in spinach is its high magnesium content. Magnesium plays a crucial role in nerve function by regulating nerve transmission and muscle contractions. It helps to calm overactive nerves, reducing symptoms like tingling, pain, or muscle spasms that are often associated with nerve damage. Magnesium's calming effect on the nervous system also helps to reduce nerve excitability, making it easier for damaged nerves to heal and function properly. Along with that, spinach is a rich source of antioxidants, particularly vitamin E. Vitamin E is known for its powerful ability to protect nerve cells from oxidative stress, a major factor in nerve damage. According to research, antioxidants neutralize free radicals. Thus, it helps reduce inflammation around the nerves, allowing them to regenerate more effectively. This protection is especially important for maintaining the structure and function of nerve membranes. The recommended daily intake of spinach is around 90 to 120 grams, which equates to about 1 cup of cooked spinach or 2 cups of fresh spinach. Spinach, on the other hand, contains oxalates, which may bind to calcium and form kidney stones in susceptible individuals. For those with kidney issues or a history of kidney stones, it's best to consume spinach in moderation and consult with a healthcare provider. 5. Eggs. Choline is one of the most important nutrients in eggs for repairing nerve damage. Choline is essential for producing acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter involved in muscle control and memory. Damaged nerves often struggle to send signals effectively, but choline enhances this communication by ensuring smooth nerve signal transmission. This improved signaling aids in reducing symptoms like muscle weakness or numbness, making choline a crucial element in nerve repair. In fact, according to research published in Neural Regeneration Research, choline has demonstrated significant neuroprotective effects in both in vitro experiments and animal models of stroke, brain injury, and neurodegenerative diseases. Furthermore, B12 in eggs helps in the formation of new red blood cells and supports DNA synthesis, both of which are critical for nerve cell health and repair. Without adequate B12, nerve cells may deteriorate, leading to increased nerve pain, tingling, or even more severe neuropathic symptoms. Vitamin B12 not only protects nerve signals but also speeds up their transmission, ensuring proper body function. The recommended egg intake is about 1 to 2 eggs per day, which translates to roughly 50 to 100 grams. Nevertheless, remember that eggs are high in dietary cholesterol, which may impact heart health in individuals sensitive to cholesterol intake. 6. Turmeric. Turmeric isn't just a spice that adds a warm, golden hue to your meals. Known for its potent medicinal properties, turmeric's effectiveness largely comes from curcumin, its active compound. PubMed has confirmed that curcumin has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Inflammation is a major culprit behind nerve damage, often exacerbating symptoms like pain, tingling, or numbness. Curcumin works by directly targeting inflammation in the nerve tissues, helping to calm and soothe the irritated areas. Another crucial aspect of turmeric is its ability to enhance brain-derived neurotrophic factor. It is a protein that helps neurons, including nerve cells, grow, survive, and repair. This is particularly important in conditions where nerve cells are consistently under attack, such as neuropathy or after a nerve injury. The recommended daily dose of turmeric is about 1 to 3 grams, which is roughly half to 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric. You can easily incorporate this into your diet by adding it to teas, smoothies, soups, or even sprinkling it on roasted vegetables. However, high doses or long-term use may lead to digestive issues, such as stomach upset or acid reflux. 7. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate might feel like a guilty pleasure, but when it comes to nerve repair, it's more of a secret weapon packed with nutrients that may significantly aid in healing. Nerve damage often goes hand in hand with high levels of oxidative stress, which may worsen symptoms and slow down the healing process. Flavonoids, found in dark chocolate, may work by neutralizing free radicals, protecting nerve cells from damage, and reducing the inflammation that contributes to nerve pain. This antioxidant action may repair nerve damage. Researchers on ResearchGate found that consuming dark chocolate daily for 30 days significantly increased levels of theobromine and nerve growth factor in healthy young adults. It enhanced cognitive function and performance on cognitive tests. Apart from that, the magnesium content in dark chocolate plays a crucial role in calming overactive nerves and improving overall nerve function. Magnesium helps regulate nerve impulses and reduces nerve excitability, which may alleviate symptoms like tingling or sharp, shooting pains that are common in nerve damage. To reap the benefits of dark chocolate, the recommended daily intake is about 30 to 60 grams, ideally with a cocoa content of 70% or higher to maximize the presence of flavonoids and magnesium. However, dark chocolate is calorie-dense and contains sugar. Hence, it may contribute to weight gain and affect blood sugar levels if consumed in excess. 8. Blueberries. Blueberries might seem like a simple, tasty snack, but they may help repair damaged nerves. One of the most impactful elements of blueberries is their high content of anthocyanins, the compounds that give them their deep blue color. Anthocyanins are potent antioxidants that protect nerve cells from oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to nerve damage. Furthermore, the International Journal of Molecular Sciences stated that they have anti-neuroinflammation properties. Thus, they may create a more stable environment for nerves to heal, promoting better nerve function and reducing the symptoms associated with nerve damage. Vitamin C, another important nutrient in blueberries, is essential for collagen synthesis. Vitamin C also supports immune function. It is important in protecting nerves from further damage by reducing inflammation and supporting overall nerve resilience. Together, anthocyanins and vitamin C in blueberries offer a powerful combination that repairs existing nerve damage. The recommended daily intake of blueberries is about 1/2 to 1 cup, which is roughly 1 cup. Additionally, for individuals with sensitivities to natural sugars, excessive blueberry intake could cause mild fluctuations in blood sugar levels. 9. Broccoli. Packed with nutrients that specifically target nerve health, broccoli may play a significant role in supporting your body's ability to heal. One of the standout compounds in broccoli is sulforaphane, a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. Animal studies published in Brain Circulation show that sulforaphane, a compound found in broccoli, may help improve conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease, making it a promising option for treating common brain disorders. Moreover, broccoli has high vitamin K content, which is vital for maintaining the integrity of nerve tissues. A healthy myelin sheath ensures that nerve signals are transmitted efficiently, which is crucial for proper nerve function. By promoting the synthesis of proteins that stabilize this protective layer, vitamin K in broccoli helps repair the myelin, enhancing nerve function and reducing the symptoms associated with nerve damage. The recommended daily intake of broccoli is between 150 and 200 grams, or roughly 1 cup of chopped, cooked broccoli. But it does contain goitrogens, compounds that may interfere with thyroid function when consumed in large quantities. 10. Sweet potatoes. One of the standout elements in sweet potatoes is their high content of beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that the body converts into vitamin A. This vitamin plays a crucial role in nerve health by supporting the maintenance and repair of nerve tissues. The journal Antioxidants confirms that beta-carotene helps reduce inflammation, which is often a major factor in nerve damage. Another important nutrient in sweet potatoes is vitamin C, which supports collagen production. It is a critical component of nerve tissue structural repair. Collagen helps maintain the integrity of nerve fibers, ensuring that the nerves remain robust and flexible. This is particularly important in the repair process, as strong nerve fibers are better able to handle stress and injury. The recommended daily intake of sweet potatoes is about 100 grams. However, it's important to be mindful of potential downsides. Sweet potatoes are naturally high in carbohydrates and may affect blood sugar levels, so those managing conditions like diabetes should enjoy them in moderation and as part of a balanced meal. Now, let's discuss some daily habits that may damage our nerves. I've been there, going through daily routines without realizing some of my habits might be quietly harming my nerves. Nerve health is often taken for granted until we start feeling uncomfortable symptoms like tingling, numbness, or pain. Here's what you need to know about protecting those all-important nerves from daily wear and tear. 1. Poor diet. A diet high in sugar, unhealthy fats, and processed foods may lead to chronic inflammation in the body. This inflammation doesn't just affect overall health, it may also cause nerve damage over time, leading to symptoms like weakness and fatigue. 2. Lack of exercise. Inactivity reduces circulation, which is vital for nerve health. When blood flow slows down, nerves don't get the oxygen and nutrients they need, which may eventually lead to nerve damage and decreased function. 3. Excessive alcohol consumption. Drinking too much alcohol may directly damage nerve cells and deplete essential nutrients like B vitamins, which are crucial for maintaining nerve health. Over time, this may lead to serious nerve damage. 4. Smoking. Smoking reduces blood flow throughout the body, including to the nerves. This lack of oxygen and nutrients may cause nerves to deteriorate over time, leading to pain and other neurological issues. 5. Poor posture. Poor posture, especially when sitting for long periods, puts unnecessary pressure on the nerves in the neck, back, and wrists. If not corrected, this constant strain may lead to nerve pain and even long-term damage. 6. Chronic stress. Chronic stress triggers inflammation throughout the body, including in the nerves. This may worsen nerve function and lead to symptoms like numbness or tingling, which may become chronic if stress isn't managed. 7. Ignoring injuries. Small injuries, particularly to the hands, feet, or back, may lead to nerve damage if left untreated. Over time, what starts as a minor issue may become a long-term problem, affecting nerve health and overall mobility. 8. Vitamin deficiency. Essential vitamins like B12, B6, and E are vital for nerve repair and function. A deficiency in these vitamins may impair nerve health, making nerves more susceptible to damage and reducing their ability to heal. 9. Overuse of electronics. Constant use of phones, computers, and other devices may cause repetitive strain, particularly in the hands and wrists. Overuse can result in conditions such as carpal tunnel syndrome, which compresses and damages nerves. 10. Sleep deprivation. Sleep is essential for the body's repair processes, including nerve repair. Lack of sleep prevents the body from adequately healing itself, leading to an increased risk of nerve damage over time. I hope you found today's video helpful and feel empowered to make choices that support your nerve health. These nerve-healing foods may repair and protect those all-important nerve pathways. Every bite you take may be a step toward feeling better and living pain-free. So why not start today? Your nerves and your whole body will thank you for it. Also, remember to talk to a healthcare professional before making any major changes, especially if you have underlying conditions. Today we learned about all the foods that may repair damaged nerves. But did you know that there are other foods in your pantry that may be just as helpful? Want to find out more? Watch 11 powerful brain foods that may help fight dementia. Or watch 14 powerful foods that may help improve your eyes naturally. You may watch either or both of them. How many of the foods mentioned earlier are currently in your diet? Let us know in the comments section below.